Welcome to Pinpoint, a professional mapping plugin for WordPress. Let's install it and see what it can do. Activate the plugin from the WordPress plugins page. Pinpoint adds a new menu with maps, an AI assistant, categories, translations, and settings. To get started quickly, go to Settings and generate sample data. One click creates a complete Jerusalem attractions map with 6 categories, subcategories, and over 25 points. The map editor gives you full control. Select a map, set the language, manage groups, merge maps, copy the shortcode or export. Below, assign categories and see all your points on the satellite view. Click any point to edit. Each location has a name, coordinates, a rich text description, and category assignments. You can tag it across multiple categories and subcategories: food, historical sites, museums, parks, religious sites, shopping. For business locations, enable store information. Add a phone number, email, website, physical address, and opening hours, all displayed in the marker pop-up. Attach images and videos to any point. The gallery supports multiple images with titles and descriptions, plus embedded YouTube videos, all viewable in a built-in lightbox. Publishing is simple. Copy the shortcode, paste it into any post or page, and your interactive map goes live. Visitors get satellite view, category filters across the top, search, and can switch between satellite, light, and dark map styles. When a visitor clicks a marker, they see the full pop-up with description, store details, and media. YouTube videos play right inside the lightbox. Creating a new map takes seconds. Name it, choose your view, and drop a pin. Drag any marker to reposition it. The coordinates update automatically. Pinpoint's settings let you customize everything. Choose your map provider, OpenStreetMap or Google Maps. Set the UI layout, marker sizes for desktop and mobile, category panel behavior, and search box styling. Full multilingual support is built in. Pinpoint integrates with Polylang and WPML, detects the visitor's language automatically, and supports right-to-left languages, including Hebrew, Arabic, and Persian. The AI integration connects to OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, or Google Gemini. Enter your API key, select a model, and enable the features you want: description generation, translation, image captioning, and voice dictation. Fine-tune the AI behavior. Set the content tone: professional, casual, or enthusiastic. Choose the description length, configure the monthly request limit, and set timeouts for larger operations. The AI assistant is a conversational interface for building maps. Quick start buttons get you going, or just describe what you want in natural language. Here's where it gets powerful. We asked the AI to create a map of the West Bank with all Jewish settlements, including sources. It created the map and started building points in batches, 60 at a time. Watch the counterclimb. The AI generates coordinates, descriptions, and source citations for each location. 150 settlements created in minutes, work that would take days by hand. Next, we asked for all known roadblocks and checkpoints with red markers. The AI identified locations, created the points, and color-coded them automatically. Then, Palestinian cities and villages in green. The AI organized them by governorate: Nablus, Jenin, Tulkarm, Hebron, Ramallah, and added them in batches. Finally, the AI assigned all 300 points to their correct subcategories in one operation: settlements, checkpoints, Palestinian cities, and outposts, each tagged and filterable. The result: a complete, color-coded, categorized map of the entire West Bank, built from a few sentences of conversation. 300 points, each with descriptions and sources. Import and export. Need to handle real data at scale? Pinpoint imports and exports entire point sets with a single click. We loaded 1,200 world volcanoes in seconds. Your existing location data works the same way. Map groups and merging. Organize your maps into groups and merge them into unified views. Combine regional maps, layer different data sets, and manage everything from one dashboard. Each source map stays independent while the merged view shows everything together. Multilingual translation. Your audience is global, and so is Pinpoint. Translate every point name, every description, and every interface string from one unified workspace. AI-assisted translation handles the heavy lifting. Right-to-left languages like Hebrew and Arabic work perfectly out of the box. Pinpoint for WordPress. Maps that build themselves.